Hi, it's Pete. After today's session, I said I would create you a quick video on how to add an icon to the desktop in a quick and easy manner. So what we'd do first of all is we've just look at the instructions. So to create an icon shortcut on the desktop, go to the desktop, which is Windows key D. We right click and choose New Shortcut. Enter the location of the shortcut, so the web address or whatever. Click on Next. Enter the name of the shortcut and click Finish. So let's actually do that. So I'm going to press Windows D. Here I am at my desktop. Right click, go to New, Shortcut, and here I can type in the name of the item. Well, I want to go to www.bbc.co.uk, and then I can click onto Next, and I can give this a name. So I'm going to call it BBC because I've got no imagination. Click on the Finish. And there I've got my icon. So if I double click on this, that should launch the BBC. And there it is. So that's the first one, fairly straightforward. Now the second one is if we want to change the icon. Now let's just go back to the desktop a moment and just have a quick look. As you can see, the icon is the default icon for the Chrome browser because that's my default browser on the desktop. So what I want to do is to be able to use a different browser or a different icon than that. So we can right click on the icon we wish to change, select Properties and choose Change Icon, choose a new icon and then click OK back to the desktop. OK, so let's do this. So there's my BBC button, right click, Properties, and then here I've got Change Icon. So I can click onto Change Icon. And here I can see the set of icons that I've got available. So I could choose one of these and then OK. And then OK again. And there I've now got the same action but hidden behind a different button. Now there was only a few buttons available there. And if I want to find more buttons to use, then again what I've actually got is I've got some additional options. So here I can choose a different icon. So again, I would right click on the icon I wish to change, select Properties, choose Change the Icon and click the Browse button. And then I need to find the directory Windows System 32, find the file ImageRes.dll and then choose an icon from that list. So let's do this one then. So Windows D, right click on my button and Properties. And this I want to change the icon. And then I'm going to browse. And on Browse what I'm going to do is I'm in the Windows directory, so I'm going to come down until I can find System 32. There it is, there's System 32. So I double click to go into there, and then I want a file called image. So I'm typing image there, and there's ImageRes.dll. And so hopefully we've got the right file. Click on Open. And there, as you can see, I've got a lot of different icons that I could use. And so I can go through all of these searching for an icon that I feel is the most appropriate for what I'm trying to do. So here I can go through and it's the BBC website. So I'm going to choose that big pin. That'll do for me. So then I click on OK and then OK again. And there I've now got the BBC with that big icon. The final little piece I just want to share with you is if I want to rename that. So if I decided instead of calling it BBC, I wanted to call it the British Broadcasting Corporation, then I would right click onto it. And then here I've got the option to rename. And then I could just type in British Broadcasting Corporation. And there I've now got my new icon. Now I can drag those to anywhere I want so that it will still work. And I've just noticed I can't spell broadcasting, so I'm going to right click, rename, and then inside the box there I'm going to delete the A from that side of the O and stick it back at that side. And there I've got the British Broadcasting. So there we've got the system by which we can actually create these icons. Okay, I hope that's helpful. Talk to you later. Cheers, bye.